If u is equal to yz by x, v is equal to xz by y, w is equal to xy by z, then find del of u comma v comma w with respect to x comma y comma z. Here first step, take the given problem u v w. Here procedure will be same for all the problems, but important thing is finding partial derivative and expand the determinant value. You have to do it carefully. We know that the formula of Jacobian for the function u v w with respect to the variables x, y, z is given by determinant of del u by del x, del u by del y, del u by del z, del v by del x, del v by del y, del v by del z, del w by del x, del w by del y, and del w by del z. First find ux, that is del u by del x, that is u is equal to yz by x. We have to treat y and z as constant. So treating yz as constant into here differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Hence we get ux value as minus yz by x square. Similarly uy, that is del u by del y as, here we have to treat z and x as constant. Hence we get z by x into differentiation of y is 1. Hence we get uy value as z by x. Similarly uz, that is del u by del z value as, here we have to treat x and y as constant. Hence we get y by x as constant into differentiation of z is 1. Hence we get uz value as y by x. Similarly we have to find vx, that is del v by del x. For that we have to consider this function v is equal to xz by y. We have to treat z and y as constant. Hence we can take z by y into here differentiation of x is 1. Hence we get vx value as z by y. Similarly vy, that is del v by del y value as, we have to treat x and z as constant into here differentiation of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Hence we get vy value as minus xz by y square. Similarly vz value as, here we have to treat x and y as constant. Hence we get x by y into differentiation of z is 1. Hence we get vz value as x by y. In the similar way we have to find wx, that is del w by del x is, we have to consider this function, that is w is equal to xy by z. Here we have to treat y and z as constant. Hence we get y by z into differentiation of x is 1. Hence we get wx value as y by z. Similarly wy, that is del w by del y is, here we have to treat x and z as constant. Hence we get x by z into differentiation of y is 1. Hence we get wy value as x by z. Similarly wz, that is del w by del z value as, here we have to treat x and y as constant into differentiation of 1 by z is minus 1 by z square. Hence we get wz value as minus xy by z square. Next step, after finding all these values, we have to substitute in the formula of Jacobian and simplify the determinant. We get thus del of u comma v comma w with respect to the variables x, y, z is equal to determinant of minus yz by x square, z by x, y by x, z by y minus xz by y square, x by y by z, x by z minus xy by z square. We have to expand the determinant, that is minus yz by x square into minus xz by y square into minus xy by z square minus x by y into x by z minus z by x into z by y into minus xy by z square minus x by y into y by z plus y by x into z by y into x by z minus xz by y square into y by z. Here we have to expand the determinant carefully. We have to carefully write the negative and positive values also. Here simplifying the values we get as minus yz by x square as it is into, here zz gets cancelled and 1 by y gets cancelled. Here minus into minus plus, we get the remaining values. Here x into x is x square. Here 1 zz gets cancelled. Here also y gets cancelled. We get this x square divided by the remaining is yz minus here xy by xz. Hence we get x square by yz. Here we can take minus outside the bracket, we get as minus to minus plus z by x into, here 1 zz gets cancelled, here y gets cancelled, remaining is x by z. Here if we take minus sign outside the bracket, we get as plus, here y gets cancelled, we get as x by z plus y by x into, here zz get cancelled, the remaining is x by y. Here minus into minus is plus, here zz gets cancelled, y and y gets cancelled, the remaining is x by y. Here we get x square by yz minus x square by z, we get the value as 0, hence we can cancel this term. The remaining is here z by x into, here x plus z plus x by z, we can write it as z by x into 2x by z plus, here also y by x into x by y plus x by y, we can write it as 2x by y. Here y gets cancelled, xs gets cancelled. Here also zz gets cancelled, xs gets cancelled. The remaining is 2 plus 2. Hence, we can conclude that del of u comma v comma w with respect to x, y, z, we can get the value as 4. This completes the problem.